Hey Panther families, I wanted to invite you to South Medford High School's open house next Tuesday, September 20th at 6 p.m. And this is going to be our first open house in person since the pandemic, and so we're excited to see you. The night will begin by making your way through the front doors of the school, picking up your student schedule and a few other items, and then making your way to the gym where we'll all meet together for about 20 minutes. From there, we'll release you to casually make your way from classroom to classroom where you can meet and greet your students' teachers at your own pace as you walk through your student schedule. The night will conclude at 7:55. Counselors and administrators will be around to chat with, and we'll have some of our leadership students here as well to help guide you around our beautiful and big building. This is a good opportunity to see what goes on inside the walls of the building and get to know the staff and ultimately the teachers who are going to be the group of people who make a difference in your students' lives. So we're looking forward to it, and we hope to see you there. If you're a parent or of a freshman or a senior, keep watching as we have a few more announcements for you. Otherwise, sophomores and junior parents, we look forward to seeing you at Open House on Tuesday, September 20th at 6 p.m. Seniors, we hope you were able to make it to our Senior 101 night last night. And if you weren't, this is where we talk with senior families about the next steps after high school. If you weren't able to attend, I want to attach the PowerPoint so that you might be able to look it over and bring yourself up to speed on some of the good to knows and need to knows as we approach graduation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your student's counselor and they would be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Freshman parents and families, our bell schedule can take a bit of time to fully understand, and we know it can be confusing, so I apologize for that. However, I wanted to let you know of some changes coming. On 7th period C days, your student will be released earlier than on A and B days. When you look closely at the schedule, you can see that students typically meet 2 out of every 3 days for each period. However, up until now, 7th period, we've been keeping our freshmen in all 3 days, A, B, and C days. During that 3rd, 7th period, we've been meeting with all of our freshmen and covering some basic South logistics as we seek to softly launch them into the school year. Yesterday, we concluded our final C Day 7th period meeting with a popsicle party, and now students will receive an earlier release on C days. If a student walks or is picked up from school, they're free to leave early that period. Bus riders will be free to hang out in the commons or the courtyard areas as they await their buses, but we wanted to get that information out to you as we continue to launch into this new school year. Hey, we look forward to seeing you at Open House, and please don't ever hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.